Well, it's exactly what the title says. I have almost finished making a level in Unity. Play the intro. After like a month of that first devlog, please watch it by the way, it's great. I finally almost have finished making a level, and which taught me really valuable lessons, like lesson number 1. Gaming is hard. Oh wait, no. Game development is really hard, right? But that was not the main problem I faced, because the more you learn, the better you'll get at it. It's not the end of the world, right? That was not the main problem. But lesson number 2. You should never ever leave your work for more than a day. Especially if you're just starting to make your game, right? Finish that game. Don't think that I'll just wait for 2 days, I'll rest for 2 days, I'm not gonna do it. No, don't do that, because you will not understand what is going on after that, right? In my case, I left it for like 2 weeks. When I came back, I didn't understand anything. I left it for 2 weeks because I had like homework and school, and at one point I was learning video editing for my YouTube videos, because I have a YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe please, and press the bell icon to get new updates every week, I guess, if I make them. So I was learning video editing and got invested in that so much that I was like, you know what, fuck game development, I'm gonna be a video editor for a living. I'm clearly good at it. No, I'm not. And soon found out video editing is hard. It's really thrillingly hard. I mean, I loved it. So yeah, when I came back, it had been like 2 weeks, and after I came back, I didn't understand anything, and this is the first time I'm doing it. Coding, yeah, the codes, I didn't get the codes, I don't know what there was written there, right? It took me a while to figure out what was going on, which brings me to the next lesson I learned. Always comment your code. Really, it's simple. It's not even a lesson, it's a small tip, but always do that. Always comment your code. That's the first lesson, I guess. First small tip every programming YouTuber gives you. Always comment your code, and I learned it the hard way. I know, I just took 2 more days to understand the old codes, right? So yeah, always comment your code, and otherwise it will look like hieroglyphics. I mean, you will not understand anything that you have written. It's like some other guy wrote it and you're just looking at it. Always comment your code. It may look messy, but it will help you a lot, right? Lesson number 4, that is with lesson number 2, it's like conjoined. Always give at least 1 hour to the things you love. Always invest like 1 hour to the things you love. At least. If you can give more than that, you are better. You need like 10,000 hours of work to be a professional at something, so that give 1 hour a day. If you don't do that, you're not going to reach your goal. Number 4, at least give 1 hour of your time to the things you love. Otherwise, you will never be good at it and you'll feel like shit. Yeah, so that is all. Those are the like 4 things that I learned while this devlog. It was a really great month. I mean, that is a lot of things I learned. That's more than high school ever taught me. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like it. If you love this content, remember, these are the type of content this channel will have. Please subscribe. I have a Facebook page called ChronoABI. Even I don't know how I named that. My naming schemes are really bad. But yeah, you can like that page. I think I have an Instagram account, or I'll make one soon. I don't know what I will do with that, but yeah, who cares? I'll have a Twitter someday, not today. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.